On day 4, our students delved into the crucial operations of air traffic control at TC at Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport. The primary mission of a TC is to prevent collisions both in the air and on the ground by efficiently managing the movement of aircraft. Students learned how ATC professionals at the airport organize and expedite air traffic flow, ensuring safe and smooth operations even during peak times. They explored the advanced radar systems, communication tools, and protocols used to guide pilots and provide them with real-time information critical for safe navigation. This session offered valuable insights into the precision, coordination, and rapid decision-making skills required to maintain safety in the skies, showcasing the pivotal role ATC plays in modern aviation.